Dear friends, namaskar. Welcome to our cooking channel, Mother's Tasty Food. Dear friends, we brought you a new style easy and delicious loving recipe. Use simple perfect ingredients, very tasty, easy and quick recipe. This delicious and easy cooking will give you a new style healthy and tasty breakfast. Green chili or haree MIRCH as needed. One tablespoon chopped ginger, or ADARAK. Dear friends, enjoy cooking. One medium-sized chopped potato. Two medium-sized chopped onion or PYAAJ. One medium-sized chopped capsicum. Medium fry. One medium-sized chopped tomato. 1 teaspoon salt. 3 minutes medium flame. Dear friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Use simple ingredients, but taste is the best. Yes, every good cooking is healthy and cheap. Low flame. Soft and delicious. Dear friends, thanks and regards. We are going to meet up in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video, dear friends.